Hi, for Uber?
Hi.
Hi, how's it going?
Good. I mean, so my card is actually going to expire. Is there another way I could pay you?
Wait, what do you mean? No, like, it pays through the app, so you need to worry about that.
I know, but my card on the app is about to expire, and it's not going to work. Can I Venmo you or anything else?
No, it'll just go, like, you don't need to worry about that, because it's already paid for.
There's no other way I can pay you? It's not going to work, so.
I mean, like what?
I could Venmo you.
Oh, no, we can't do Venmo or anything.
I could buy you lunch. Is there...
Well, I mean, there is another way you could pay for the Uber.
How? Was lunch, coffee, you name it.
I mean, I'm just saying, there's another way you can pay for the ride. I'll just put it that way.
What?
You know, cause you said your card got canceled and you can't, you don't have money to pay for it. So I'm just saying, like, there's another way you can pay for the ride.
I'm just a little bit confused. What other way?
Well, I don't want to say anything out loud just in case, it's being recorded or anything. But I'm just saying, when it comes down to it, I don't live too far from here, and there's another way we can pay for the ride.
Ew, no!
What?
Ew, no!
What?
Absolutely not!
I thought that's what you were saying.
No!
You literally said, like, you asked if...
Not like that!
You literally said if there's another way you could pay.
Oh my god, no.
I thought you were, like, hitting on me.
No, I meant like Cash App or Venmo or anything. Oh, I have cash. I'll give you cash.
I thought you were, like, down.
No.
You're not down?
No.
You're not, like, DT, like...
No.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I completely read the room wrong. I apologize.
You think?
I apologize.
You need to learn some manners.
And on second thought, I will take you up on that coffee.
Now you take me up on that coffee? I don't know if you deserve coffee now.
Come on. Throw me a bone. I don't bite.
No.
But I'll bite the bone.
Oh my god. Get me out of here. Get me out of here.
Really? You don't want to do this anymore?
No.
It's fine. I'll take you for free. Don't worry about it.
Really?
Yeah, as long as we get coffee.
No. You lost that chance.